If you're wondering whether IPVanish is the best VPN for multi-device households or if Hide, Me VPN stands out as the best free option, you're in the right place. We're about to dive deep into these two VPNs and see how they stack up, with a special mention at the end of a better alternative. Now, first up, let's talk about device compatibility. IPVanish shines in this department. With support for unlimited devices on a single subscription, it's a no-brainer for families or anyone with multiple devices they want to secure simultaneously. You can connect your phone, tablet, laptop, desktop, and even smart TV all at once, all protected by the same account. On the flip side, Hide. Me VPN offers a decent number of simultaneous connections, but it's limited to 10 devices at most, which, while good, doesn't hold a candle to IPVanish's unlimited connections. Next thing, speed and performance. With IPVanish, you're getting fast, reliable connections thanks to their extensive network of over 2,000 servers across 75 plus locations. But to be fair, their speed can sometimes drop during peak times, which might affect larger households with heavy internet usage. Hide, Me on the other hand, doesn't have the massive server count that IPVanish boasts, but it still provides strong, consistent speeds. However, some users have reported minor slowdowns, especially on free accounts, due to limited server availability. The security features are another major consideration. IPVanish uses military-grade encryption and boasts a zero-log policy, meaning they won't track your activity. That's crucial for privacy-conscious users. However, there have been a few concerns over IPVanish's history, where they were briefly compelled to hand over logs to the authorities in 2018. Hide. Me, in comparison, also offers AES, 256 encryption, and a zero-log policy, but it also goes a step further with additional features like a built-in kill switch and split tunneling, all of which are available even in the free plan. Now, let's talk about the free tier. If you're on the hunt for a free VPN, Hide Me is a solid option, offering a no-strings-attached free plan with up to 10 GB of data per month. That's more generous than many other free services, which often offer severely limited data or unreliable performance. IPVanish, though, doesn't have a free version, so if you're looking for something without paying upfront, Hide. Me definitely takes the lead here. The next thing to mention is pricing. IPVanish offers affordable monthly, yearly, and multi-year plans, which come with the added benefit of a 30-day money-back guarantee. Hide. Me, while providing a free plan, does get more expensive for its paid plans, especially considering it's more limited in terms of simultaneous connections and features compared to IPVanish. But if you're looking for the best free VPN, Hide. Me is unbeatable in that area. Finally, when it comes to ease of use, both are user-friendly, but IPVanish tends to be a bit more polished. The app interface is clean, with easy-to-navigate features and quick connection times. Hide. Me's interface is also intuitive, but for newcomers, IPVanish's streamlined experience may be a bit more straightforward. So, after trying both of these VPNs, here's the deal: both IPVanish and Hide. Me are solid choices for different needs. IPVanish is perfect for multi-device households with its unlimited device connections, while Hide. Me offers an outstanding free plan and great privacy features. But if you're really after the best of both worlds, unlimited devices, robust security, and a great free trial for new users, then you need to check out the option linked in the description. Take advantage of the exclusive free trial through our link, and you'll get a better experience than any of the VPNs we've covered today. So, don't wait, click the link, and you'll be set up in no time.